We are now ready to create our React application. To create new React app, we will be making use of create React app. So this is one of a command line interface tool that allows you to quickly create and run React apps with no configurations. So open the integrated terminal by using Ctrl J or Ctrl backtick. So with this, you could actually type in the command npx create react app followed by the project name. So I would be giving React demo as my project name. You guys could give any name of your choice. At times, you might also receive errors on being not able to run the following command. In that case, I would recommend you to use npm I npm -g. So with that, you will be installing the node globally so that your VS Code is able to identify the path the node is installed. So once this setup is done, I'll be going through the files or the folders that is being installed by this command. We'll get back to you once the setup is complete. So as you can see, the setup is done and there's a folder called React Demo as the project name that we had given is created. So now in order to run the application, the terminal suggests us to go on to type cd react demo. By doing this, what we are doing is that we are going to the React application folder which our code relies on. And now in order to start your app, we go by the command npm start. So let's wait for a few seconds as you see the application taking some time to run. This command is actually used for running the application as it will open up the browser on the local host port number 3000 with your React demo application completely up and running. In quite a few time, we'll actually go through what are the files and folders which are really important as a beginner to get through and understand React. So once we have the browser up and running, we shall continue. See, our application is up and running, and as told earlier, we see that our application is running on the local host port number 3000. So if you go about seeing the browser, you see our React app is up and running, but it also gives you a message which says edit src/app.js and save to reload. So let's in a moment go about doing that. So as you can see, there's a src folder here in the React demo. So we'll go here and as it suggested to change the app.js, right? So we'll go app.js and just take this learn React to hello world, and you can see that the server has refreshed on its own. So let's go to the browser and see if the changes have been reflected. And yes, here you see that any change that we made in this particular file is being reflected in our application over here. So that brings your first React application alive.